is Jade Bentel, and I'm from South Africa, but I'm living in London. And of course, I grew up in the winelands, and so I've been around those kinds of methods for most of my life. And I'm not a big drinker, but I do love olive oil, and that's how I got into this. Meeting the producers. We've made like really high quality producers, so that's been amazing, you know. Yeah. Nothing. For me, it was perfect. Yeah, I had the best time. No, I can't improve anything. Yeah, and especially Elena and Lucia and Michaela. Yeah, everyone was amazing. Yeah. Well, it's changed since I started the sommelier course, because I thought I'd go in and I'd do tastings because that's what interested me first, and then spending more times at the mill, I think, now I don't know. I'm very curious in every way, has piqued my interest. So I'm left with a big question mark, but I still have 4 days to figure out what I want to do. I went to Kefalonia on holiday, and they offered a olive oil tasting, and sort of something clicked in my head, and I went online immediately after the tasting. I was so excited, and I found a bunch of different ones, but what I found about your specific place was a lot of alumni were saying how wonderful the experience was. So my decision was based on past experiences, so that's how I chose you. So videos on YouTube, yes, videos on YouTube, and then yeah, just went down a rabbit hole and looked at everything you guys do. So yeah.